Hi guys, here I am again with another Halloween card. I know, I'm sorry, I just can't help it. So you can see from the clip at the start I've made a floating style card. However, my card's not really got that floating effect because I've added glitter into the laminate sheet. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just adding some glitter to the laminate sheet. I did go a bit crazy, I'll be honest. And then once I've added all the glitter, I'll just run it through the laminator. The inspiration for this came from Jennifer Maguire Inks. She does something similar with laminate. Again, like with my last video, this Digi stamps from the set from Papercrafter Magazine.co.uk. And this is the shape I'm going to die cut after I've coloured it in, so I'm just drawing around it so that I know how far to colour. So I went ahead and die cut my monster and the accompanying sentiment. I used a banner die from Dovecraft for that. I will put the set name in the links. My main card base is 5.5 inches by 7.5 inches tall, and then I've added an extra 2 1/8 of an inch piece at the top, which I've then folded with my bone folder. So I've cut a piece of orange cardstock to go inside the card, and I'm just gluing that down. And then on top of that, I'm going to glue this white piece of cardstock, which has got about a 1/8 of an inch border. And now I'm gluing down all my panels. And then the orange panels are 1/8 of an inch smaller, and then the purple and green panels are another 1/8 of an inch smaller than that. So I'm really enjoying seeing other people's Halloween cards. So if you're a card maker and you're here and you've got a blog or you do YouTube videos, why don't you drop a comment below and I can come and have a look at yours as well. I'd love to see them. Before I can glue down my bottom panels, I need to glue down my laminate to attach those two. And I've cut down my laminate so it fits on the card properly. And what I've done is I've done another piece of white cardstock to adhere over the top of that so that you don't see the messiness of the glue underneath it. And now that that's done, I can adhere my bottom panels. And it looks like it's not going to stand up right here, but don't worry, it's just my slippy surface. The mat just doesn't make it stand. So it turns out okay in the end. And I guess this card doesn't necessarily have to be a Halloween card. Monster hugs could be used for a birthday card or really any occasion. And now I'm just trying out my sentiment in different places to decide where I want it to go. and I decide on the bottom there. And I'm just going to cover that bottom panel with another piece of card like I did with the top, just to even it out and make it look neat. And now I'm using foam pads to stick down my sentiment and my monster to give them a little bit of dimension. I have also die cut a plain hexagon to glue inside the card here, again to keep it neat and to just make it look nice. And that's it, we're done. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back again with another video later in the week.